Hello, Daniel Gregory here, the Roofing Guys, Tulsa, Oklahoma. And I've put up a couple of posts recently on Facebook about how when you have storm damage to your home or to your roof and you have an insurance claim, that insurance companies are not covering and not paying for everything they should pay for. I have a perfect example of that today. So here's what happens. When you file a claim, they send out an adjuster. If the adjuster determines that there's coverage for the claim, then they accept the liability. Then the adjuster prepares a report, which we call a scope, that has a list of line items of all the things that they say need to be done to repair your property and how much they're willing to pay for it. I've got a customer that I spoke with today. They got their report back. They have a fairly small house with a detached guest house that was very small and a detached two-car garage. They emailed me their report, and this is their report, guys. It's not all the pages, but this report was 56 pages long. There are 343 line items that the insurance company is saying that they're willing to pay for, that need to be done. And it's $121,000. Most homeowners would look at that and go, 56 pages, 343 items, $121,000. My God, they included everything. And I'm here to tell you they did not. I haven't had a chance to go through this whole thing, but this stuff makes me mad. One thing that is not included is half of the customer's residence roof. Half of the roof is covered completely. The other half, the insurance company is paying to replace the vents and pipe boots and 3 shingles. This stuff, I can't make this stuff up, guys. If you have storm damage to your roof, to your home, or things like that, your insurance company does not have your best interest at heart. The less they can pay out, the more it saves them. The best thing you can do without money out of your pocket is find a contractor who knows how this stuff works and knows how to help you get everything covered that should be covered. Anyway, that's it for now. God bless. Stay safe.